Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and I'm going to the Lumenda building. I will take video of the smallest condo, smallest unit that we have now in this building. It's long. And this is the building. It's the facade, the building. And there's a 7-Eleven there. This is alongside the road of the Veterans Drive. And this is the lobby. That's the highway. That's going to the parkings. There are 5 basement parkings. And this is the lobby. Before this one is the restaurant, the Hyatt restaurant. This one. But they stopped operating. Actually, this one is for rent. So maybe you are looking for a place to rent here in Busay, and this one is available for rent. We opened this one for rent. I will take separate video of this unit, and this is really huge. This is alongside the highway. That's the highway. I will pick up something. I will pick. I have this temple. And I will show you this one bedroom of the Lumenda residence. And this is for rent. This is about only 18,600 pesos per month for 1-year contract. And this is 1 bedroom. This is already promo rate because the original price of this unit is about 20,000 pesos. And the only thing with this unit is that you have here the wall, but it's okay, man, because the good thing with this unit, you cannot hear the noises of the motorcycle outside, but still you have the piece of view here. Like you can see the Marco Polo building, and the 128 Neville Hills building, and the Cebu City buildings there. And this is the most lowest available unit, most cheapest available unit that available now here in Lumenda, because this is only about 18,500 pesos. 18,600, that's the view. And this is your balcony. You have the condenser of the balcony, and you have condenser of the aircon, and you have the... So this is a furnished unit. It comes with your bed and your side table with mirror, with this orange curtain, and you have here your area for the living area, and you can slide this one to make your dining. And you have your ref. The good thing with this unit is your ref is bigger compared to the other units, right? And there is provision for the washing. And you have your cooktop here, your range hood, and this one, the microwave oven. And the good thing with this unit is, I said, this one is bigger refrigerator. The other unit are small. And this one, you have provision for the laundry, washing machine and dryer, maybe washing with dryer. So that's your kitchen area, and your dining, you can make your dining that one, and your living area, and your bed area there. And your bathroom. I will show you the bathroom. You have your shower and toilet, your bathroom, your shower, hot and cold shower, and you have mirror, you have toilet with bidet. So this is the most cheapest available unit here in Lumenda. So this is only about 18,600 pesos. That's a promo rate, because if there is no promo, The original price or the regular price of this unit is about almost 23,000 pesos. So grab this one. I think this is the last unit now. This is the last unit for the rate of 18,600 pesos. And this one is open for long-term rate. As you can see on the video, you have refrigerator, you have microwave oven, gas range, and range hood, cooktop, electric cooktop, and hot and cold shower, aircon. The two aircons, split type and window type on the bedroom. Show you the amenities that you can enjoy with this condo. Lagi, lamig kayong hangin. I will bring you or I will tour you to the amenities. This is the 8th floor of the Lamenda. Let's see if someone is if people are enjoying the pool, we will not take video. There are ongoing works for the waterproofing and the painting. Wala, kusuga sa hangin. Walang bagyo. Walang bagyo. Aray, kusuga. Walang bagyo. They're doing the repainting works. That's why they're kusuga sa hangin. This is the pool. There are kids swimming. So we're gonna take lang video kay na kids. Then let's go kay, that's the Cebu City. Lagi, galupad-lupad lagi. Let's go eh. Diloy, dito niya ako. That is the gym. We will not take video inside kay there is somebody enjoying the gym. And that's the gym. And this is the offices. Offices here. Going there. And going straight is the function room of the Lamenda. And that's the gym. The equipments of the gym are all brand new. So you can enjoy that gym. And well, let's just go inside because somebody is enjoying the gym. What I like with this building is that there are lots of emergency exits. So we are now on the 2nd floor, and you have here your first emergency exit, and another emergency exit here. So the units or the floor from 2nd to 8th floor does have 4 emergency exits, and the 9th floor going up to the 21st floor are 3 emergency exits, and another emergency exit is there. Another emergency exit. But this floor level on the 2nd floor doesn't have 4 emergency exit because supposedly there's an emergency exit there, but we are on the 2nd floor, so it's used by the. Pero there is emergency exit going sa wala. Derera. Yeah. There are three emergency exits only. So that's it. That's the unit here in Lamenda Residences. If you are also eyeing for 2 bedrooms or the bigger 1 bedroom, we have available inventory so far. Like gamay na lang for the 2 bedrooms, but for the 1 bedroom bigger unit we have like available for inventory for the smallest or the cheapest available inventory for the 1 bedroom this is the last unit that I show you, which is the located on the 10th floor. So yeah, this has been me. Thank you. Bye bye. Those are the 3 elevators. So there, in this building you have 3 elevators, and that's the emergency exit and that's the CR for girls and boys. Commercial, this one is for rent available, and this one is the lobby, and that's the concierge, and that one restaurant supposedly, but it's closed now and we are looking for a tenant for that. And this is the entrance of the Lamenda, and the highway is there, and the 7-Eleven going there. So that's our tour here in Limenda. Thank you. Bye bye.